We'll complete today talking about physical features of South America. Don't forget that North and South America together are called the Americas, and they are one big supercontinent. And what is connecting them? Panama here, the Isthmus of Panama. Alright? Now, physical features of South America. We have huge swaths. Swaths are very large of green area. It's in the northeast of South America. We talked about Amazon River before, the largest river in South America, and also we said Amazon rainforest, largest rainforest in the world and in South America. And also now we'll talk about the things in red: Andes Mountains, Eastern Highlands, Plains, Atacama Desert. And don't forget, we talked before about Pampas Grassland and about Angel Falls, right? So again now, South America, you have Amazon rainforest, Amazon River, here it is, Pampas Grassland in the south and the southeast. You have Andes Mountains from the very north to the south of the area of the west of, South America. And also we will talk about the plains. The plains always are in the middle, here the plains, and Eastern Highlands, the mountains in the east. Alright, let's go next. First we'll talk about the Andes Mountains. The Andes, as you see in the map, they stretch along the west coast of South America. The Andes Mountains are the longest mountain ranges in the whole world. They are 7,000 kilometers long. So again, and these mountains are so important. They are the longest mountain ranges in the whole world. They are 7,000 kilometers long. This area has a lot of volcanoes, so it's called volcanic belt region, which has the world's highest active volcano. What's the name of that active volcano? Ojos del Salado in this area. Are in 7 countries: Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Chile, and Argentina. Let's see them in the map. From the very north, Venezuela, Colombia here, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Chile, and Argentina. 7 countries. This is where the Andes Mountains are. Now we have Eastern Highlands. Remember in North America we said we have Eastern Highlands in the east. Also in South America we have Eastern Highlands, and they were formed at the same time as the Appalachian Mountains in North America. So they are the same like them, and they were formed at the same time. Where are these Eastern Highlands? They are in the eastern side of South America because they were called Eastern. They are divided into Guyana Highlands in the north and Brazilian Highlands in the south. So let's see them. Here's the map. You have in the north Eastern Highlands, Guyana Highlands in the north, and here Brazilian Highlands in the south. So Eastern Highlands are in the east. They were very old, formed at the same time like the Appalachians in North America. They were divided into Guyana Highlands in the north and Brazilian Highlands in the south. Let's go next. Now we have the plains, like Great Plains or Central Plains of North America. We have plains also in South America. They are in the middle also. The plains lie between the Eastern Highlands in the east and the Andes Mountains in the west. So they are in the middle. The rivers. We have rivers in this area. The rivers are source of water to the plains, which help in growing crops and transporting them. So we have here in the middle of these plains, what is running there? Some rivers. What are they? Amazon River, you have Paraguay River, you have Paraná River. When we say a question, why the rivers are so important to the plains, you can say the rivers are source of water to the plains, which will help in growing crops and transporting them, right? So the plains are in the middle between Eastern Highlands here and the they depend in rivers like Amazon River, like Paraguay River and Parana River. Here are the plains here in the middle, right? Let's go next to see the rivers. Amazon River here that are blue here in the north. You have here Paraguay River and Parana River, right? Let's go next. Atacama Desert. It's unique, it's different, and it's the driest place in South American Earth. Atacama Desert is 965 kilometers from north to south of Chile. So where is Atacama Desert? It's in Chile in South America. It's the driest place in South America. Why? As it lies between the Andes Mountains and the Chilean coast range, which block the rain from reaching this area. So our desert is between two mountain ranges. The Andes Mountain and the other mountains are called the Chilean coast range. So it's in the middle. So all the high mountains block the rain from reaching the Atacama Desert. That's why it's so dry. Let's go next. This is the map of Atacama Desert in Chile, in this area, right? It's in the west. Angel Falls, we said before, they are in Venezuela, in the north of South America. It's the highest waterfall in the world. Now I will show you the map of the Angel Falls. This is Venezuela in the north. You have the red spots here where the Angel Falls are. Now here, Pampas Grassland. Look at Pampas Grassland, very huge area in the south, middle, and southeast. Okay. Now I have some questions for you for revision. What's the longest river in South America? Yes, very good. Amazon River. Number 2. What's the name of the grasslands of South America? Pampas Grassland. Remember the map? What is the meaning of grassland? Grassland means very large area covered with grass where people raise animals. Now describe the rainforest. Rainforest usually is in the area of the tropical area near the equator. It has very tall trees close together, warm climate, rain all the year, unique animals and plants. What's the driest desert in South America? It's Atacama Desert, remember? Why? Why it's so dry? I answer now. Because it lies between the Andes Mountains and the Chilean coast range. So it's between these two. So of course they will block the rain from reaching the Atacama Desert. Number 5, where's the Atacama Desert? It's in Chile, in South America, in the west coast. What? Number 6, what is the highest waterfall in the world? It is, yes, Angel Waterfalls in Venezuela. Number 7, in which countries you can find the Andes Mountains? There are 7 countries. I will show you the map again to revise them together. Remember? Number 8, why the Amazon River and Paraguay River are important. Rivers are important to the place because they help in growing crops and transporting them. Right, so let's see now the last thing, the map. Here are the countries which the Andes Mountains are running through. Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Chile, and Argentina. Thank you very much, dear students.